Do you guarantee seed quality?
Yes, we test every batch of seed. We call it sprouting guarantee. You have 3 months to contact us regarding your poor germination problems. It may be caused by 2 factors. Maybe you need some improvement at your growing, and we are happy to help you with that. We have 10 years growing experience at growing microgreens, and we can help you find a solution for growing. If something will be bad with the seeds, we are open for a replacement. So you can be safe that every batch of seeds will grow perfectly at your farm.
What if something goes wrong with my order?
If something goes wrong with your order, like delivery, we have a customer support. You can call us on WhatsApp or on normal mobile phone or email. We have customer support and Ola will be very happy to help you with any problem you have with your order.
Can I return my order?
If you would like to return your order, you have 14 days from delivery. You need to send back the seeds on our address and we will refund the money as soon as possible.
How long does delivery take?
Delivery take around 2 to 5 working days. We deliver all over the Europe using many different couriers and companies, so it varies between when the country is close to us, we deliver within 2 days, like Slovakia or Germany. If we need to deliver the goods to Greece or islands, it might take 5 or a little bit more working days. But up to 10 working days, 99% of our parcels are delivered to the farmers.
What if my parcel is lost?
If your parcel is lost, you need to contact us and tell us your order ID and email to verify it. We will contact the courier company and check what are the options for delivery. If the parcel is lost, we will contact you and decide together if you need to get the order ASAP and we need to prepare second same parcel and send it to you on the next day, or you need a refund. We can wait for the lost parcel on our own and keep your farm growing 24 hours per year. No, 7 days a week. Yes. Grow with us. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask. We will do our best to respond as soon as possible.